you off, I took the top down. When they see me with you gonna talk down. You ain't no basic, you don't be up on the blocks now. The type of chick I want to have my child now. Blowing bags just to pass time. Fucking like it's the last time. You know the vibe, you know the vibe. Tap my name and
about half of the men follow trends. He said to me, they put guns in the streets, that's what they wanted for me. And I said, gee, someone can fix you verses. Preach like I'm doing up churches. Sin for a bit, I got urges. They got Chanel bags and purses, and I got some mash. The man ones are rolling, grown women ting, so I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I ain't bae. Get a slice of the cake, want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, Gucci gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little line.
$1 bills in, but every now and then I tap into my feelings. Ride, I need a rider. Got my own bag, he still be providing.
Yeah, I've been at all the finest. Yeah, I just need a real one to make me feel the real one. Make me feel some. Cause I'm just tryna wind down.
Find the energy to frame. That's so lame. I try. I know I'll find no more puzzles. I just wanna be free. I know trouble comes on this mind. I know this time. Don't mind it. Like I do not understand. Fly like I'm not under Earth's sky. Fly like we can't hold it in. It goes away. I like trouble, cause some things ain't the way they say. I'm dumb. Vibe, I'm worth.
Right now, I look how I feel. What is it? I feel how I look. Whatever it's called. Face breaking out right here. And my face getting big. Oh my god. I'm in a funk. That's the only way I can get y'all. Well, anyway, before I start crying, I just picked up my order from Ulta and Target. I'm in line right now getting my mom some Panda Express. If you know her or me, you know she loved this place. I mean, love it. And we got coupons, which I always have coupons. Coupon queen. I could be more. Anyway, I'm going off topic. I'm in the funk because I just got some bad news this morning. Y'all gonna keep hearing that little rattling in the back. When I was probably up like 8:30 or something. I got an email like at 2 o'clock in the morning, which I was up. But when I woke up again at 8, I did not want to get out of bed. I didn't. I ain't want to do nothing. Like nothing. I ain't want to cook breakfast, which I was going to the next day. Like, all right, let me come on some breakfast. I ain't cooking about 2 or 3 days. I didn't feel like it. I really did. I'm like, damn, I don't want to complain. I'm like, damn, the new year starting off slow as hell. Because that news, I was looking forward to. I'm like, all right, that news going to be all right. No. So, I I was supposed to post a video Tuesday, or the vlog is gonna be up by the time the video come out. It's Wednesday, and I'm finished editing, but I got like a little piece at the end I gotta fix. I mean, do, and then that's it. So and this plus it's 3 o'clock right now. Really 2:30, but it's 3 o'clock right now. I probably end up putting the video out Thursday. If I look a mess, sound a mess, hair a mess, deep down inside, I feel like I'm a mess. It's like, I don't know. I need to get out of my room too. I've been in my bed just like this, just shaking my head like, what the fuck? Hopefully something better pop off. I ain't do my vision board. Nothing. How I am now is like, that noise getting on my nerves. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but that shit getting on my nerves. But how I am now, like, I don't even want to do nothing. I don't want to be bothered. Hell, I don't even want to be bothered with people live with me. So the people on the outside, you better get the fuck on. But I don't know, y'all. Then if, like, I already say if somebody be like, alright, I don't want you being this little funk, but, you know, let's go somewhere. I don't want this shit. I don't want this shit. I don't want to do nothing. I just want to stay home. I know people trying to be friends and stuff like that, but sometimes a friend can't help this. Hell, my own mom and daddy can't help this. Nobody can help this but me. So, I don't know. Just been feeling this way. I think like since last week, I don't really. Before New Year's, hopefully I'm breathing all on this thing. Hopefully, I mean, before New Year's, I was feeling like this. Oh my God, it's gonna get better. No, I didn't expect January the 1st to be like, oh, life didn't turn around though. It's still fucked up. It's still fucked up. Slowly, I thought it was gonna. It's just only the first, like my friend said, it's only what, 2 weeks in. But dang, say nah. But I don't know, y'all. I'm cleaning up my room right now. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to get out my bed. Changing my sheets and stuff. I'm just trying to air it out in there. Not saying like it stinks or anything. Just a figure of speech. I'm just trying to bring some fresh air in there and make me motivated to get up and do something. Damn. In my mind, like in my head, I be just having all these ideas, but I don't ever go through with them. Even if simple. Something simple, like cooking breakfast. Hold on, y'all. It's my turn. Well, I'm being cool. I hate the fucking recorder. No, thank you, ma'am. Can I get a bigger plate, double the orange chicken and sweet fried chicken breast with fried rice? That'll be all.
No appetizers for drinks?
No, thank you.
You want to help out on the chicken Sunday?
No, thank you.
All right, you just say double the orange, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Fridays, double orange and sweet fried.
Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Know what the fuck you want when you go places. If I was a fast food work, baby, know what you want. This place has been here. How long? Somebody look at Ashley. Might put the window up. That's not helping. But still, you been going to this place how long? Let me get my card out because they don't do nothing but exact cash. Tired of that bullshit. My mom thinks she slipped. Say nah. I just end up paying for my mom food and don't even tell her she gotta pay me back. Would I? Not really, unless I really need it, but for the most part, fuck it. Hold on, y'all, horse. Make sure she get this coupon. If y'all didn't know, Panda do have a coupon on the back of the receipt. Your girls use it faithfully. They know, hey, so when she come out, she got a coupon. Remember, on the back of the receipt. How you doing? Yes, ma'am. Fine. I'll apply for you.
$8.53.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, y'all, there you go. Never mind. Oh, $8.53. I could have used her money, but ooh, I could have used her money. Talking to y'all. It's cool though. I'll probably see y'all when I get home. Sorry. I'll probably see y'all when I get home. Ooh, she's slim. Big ass titties. Oh, dang. So, y'all done went in there, then went out. I wasn't even there two full minutes. I started to get 2 oxtails, but I only got 1. I already got 1 at the house because my brother eating, so I'm coming up to mic. I'm not feeling good. I'm really not. I feel like I gotta throw up. I think it's them damn pancakes. I'm tired of cooking pancakes. I think I was in the wrong lane. But yeah, I got y'all on the dashboard because I'm trying to drive. And it's raining. I can drive, but I ain't got my seatbelt on. I'm going to the grocery store right across from Kinlaw's, the place I just showed y'all. Because I don't feel like going to Walmart. My mom wants some, if I can go like this. My mom wants some milk. I'm trying to think what else. I know one thing, ain't nowhere damn park. I know it ain't nowhere to park. You coming out? It'd be lovely to get that parking spot, baby. Handicap. I'm getting a 40 handicap. Did that count? If not, it will today. But yeah, I'm about to go on Carly C's and get some what did I just say? Milk and stuff. I'm trying to think what else the hell I needed. I don't know, but I know I'm about to get some milk. I look a mess. Don't judge me. I'll be back. Y'all, first of all, I got a clip on my hair. But, oh my goodness. That was not in and out. They was slow. I'm right there. Got everything on my hand. Got the milk, rice. And more. I got stuff on my hand. I'm right there shaking. Like, I don't know what's wrong. I feel like I really got to throw up. So I'm thinking, man, I'm about to throw this shit down and go to the car and just go home. Because whatever it was, I don't know. I can't be hungry. I don't think I'm hungry. Like, I'm hungry, but, like, not starving. That's what I kind of feel like it is. I don't know. Like, my hands are shaking. I was like, oh, my God, I got to go. But I'm going to stop recording because, like I said, it's really, I don't know. It's getting to me. So, let me focus and stuff, and I'll just hit you when I get home. So, let me put you around. You can't even see me, but believe me, you're not missing anything. Maybe that's what it was. Maybe that was what's wrong with me. As you see, I sat in there and ate. I was hungry. And hold on. All right, yeah. But starting Sunday, I gotta do better. After I cook these oxtails, cause I noticed that's all I eat is meat. Maybe twice a week should be good. What are you doing? Oh, maybe twice a week should be good. But for me, I'm not sure. But I think that's what I'm gonna start off with. I'm not gonna cut it out. Oh no, baby girl. Look at my nail. I'm not gonna cut it out. But yeah, I'm driving like it's not raining. Okay, fine then. And this thing's down here. But yeah, I'm not gonna completely cut it out, but I know that's all I eat. My seatbelt on. Alright, there you go. But yeah, that's all I eat is meat. So like I don't eat breakfast. You were just hating. But I don't eat when I do eat like y'all get what I'm saying, because right now I'm just stuck. I done ate all that food. Well, it wasn't a lot. Not to me anyway. But my head crooked. Head crooked, wig crooked. But yeah. Let me pay attention. And let me go home. I'll pick up from there. Peace.
I just feel like I need somebody that can match me. You know? Cause I be going through things and trying to figure this love shit out. So I need to know, is you down for me? I promise I'ma keep you right. Cause when I love hard. Real hard. You ain't gotta push up on me and
on a park bench, along with my heart. Think I would turned up, but you already left out. Damn, you already left out. You up and you left. I want to get right. But you already left out. Trying to pick up where we left out. Park bench, alone in the dark. Return when the sunrise left off. Till Sunday, with a cherry on top. To see that you'd gone. You up and you left. Trying to pick up where we left off, but you already left. I want to get right. You up and you left. You up and you left. My half-eaten sundae with a cherry on top. I do on a park bench. You up and you left. I want to get right. You up and you left. You up and you left. My half-eaten sundae with a cherry on top.
I know he don't know what he doing. I need to move my car.
She wanna woo nigga, she wanna fuck with the woo.
I can take you out everywhere, fuck a jet fare.
I pull up on the top, going on the dawn, I'm the dawn. You can fuck around. Diamonds on your chain, to match your diamond ring. I'm on a two
Like it
nigga.
cause you cut two. Come through, just us two. I like it cause you
She wanna
cut
fuck
two.
with the woo.
Hey, she wanna fuck with the woo.
She wanna fuck with the woo.
Alright.
You gonna record?
Mm-hmm. Hold on, Mom. Oh, still wet.
Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it